2009.
स्टम्प के आगे जाता है। ले रहा क्या वैल्यू?
Shreyas will take the call.
Tail. Fielding.
So Flying Falcons have won the toss and elected to field first. Flying Falcons have won the toss and elected to field first.
वो बैटिंग करेंगे।
Playing 11 for Flying Falcons: Shreyas, Imran, Ankit, Rohan, Gaurav, Inshal, Atharva, Pradeep, Sadashiv, Ubed, Jitu. Playing 11 for C Sharp Kings: Shadab, Gufran, Saurabh, Prem, Ashraf, Niket, Rishabh, Sai, Sundar, Vishal, and Nakeem.
The menu.
तेरे को खास फोकस मिला है। तेरे ऊपर सौरभ के ऊपर बैटिंग नहीं मिला उसको भी, उसको भी बैटिंग नहीं मिला, तो ये दो तीन जो प्लेयर है उनके ऊपर फोकस
मैं तकदा यूं माहौल में टेंशन बढ़े
brought to you by K12 Insights, Sogolytics, and Mouthshut.com. It's a fantastic Friday and Jummah Mubarak to all our Muslim brothers and sisters. As we kickstart the day, Umpire Hatim Kapasi and Umpire Ronak in an intense discussion. 2 league matches and 1 grand finale, requesting the fielding side to occupy the field immediately. Flying Falcons, both the openers are on the ground. Gufran Chorwadwala is such a fantastic player. The bodybuilder Gufran, Gujju Gufran is there, and along with him is Sundar. Flying Falcons, who will bowl their first over? Will it be Rohit Wagh? So we'll wait. Welcome to Shantanu and Narayanan, the A1 pair of our company. Shantanu doing good job in the back end, and Narayanan, he must have lost about 1 kg yesterday, walking here and there. Calorie management. Ayush Yadav, the half centurion. Oranges. Now obviously due to calories he can't eat Santra Barfi of Haldiram, so he wants to remain healthy rather than going for Haldi. So team walks in. Shreyas Pandey is the captain, Imran Khan, and then they've got Gaurav. You start remembering the names. They've got a Tharwa. Ankit Sulakhe, you cannot forget jersey number 25, Sulakhe. What a fielding yesterday by him. Pradeep will bowl the first over, and batter facing him is Sundar. Welcome all the employees. Announced earlier, kindly mark your attendance. Shantanu with some water bottles. Thank you, brother. एक शेर आपके लिए अर्ज कर रहा हूं शांतनु भाई, सुबह सुबह देखिए, समुंदर खा रहा है, पानी पिला नहीं सकता, लेकिन आप इंसान है, आपने पानी पिलाया. अगर किसी ने किसी को पानी पिला दिया तो समंदर को नीचा दिखा दिया. So first ball of the morning, wishing good luck. It's a 5-4 field. 5 on the off, 4 on the on. Wide ball, 1 run. Overpitched and driven on the onside towards mid-on. Ankit Sulakhe, the fielder. Imran Khan is in the ring. Shreyas Pandey is the wicket keeper. Inshal now coming in at mid-off. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Sun is shining and a busy traffic heading towards Kolaba and Nariman Point. Round the wicket for Gufran, and it's wide ball, goes under ball, keeping low. There is still pleasant weather, moisture, damp conditions. Bowling side would want to utilize these conditions to their advantage. Flying Falcons They are playing C Sharp Kings, defending champions. Four without any wickets. White ball, 5 runs. You can watch this tournament live on Shadab Mitagri's YouTube channel. Bowls from the edge of the crease and a fantastic straight drive. This will be Sogolitics 4. First attacking shot of the morning. Coming Sundar. Sundar means beautiful and his batting is beautiful. Well, Google has Sundar Pichai. We have got Sundar Pichai. Wow. Wide ball. Pradeep is trying to create an angle for the righty batter, but in the process, he's missing out on pitching the right kind of delivery. So, this is a commentary box from where you are listening to the live commentary in English and Hindi since yesterday. Now that's ballooned in the air, high and handsome, huge shot, and this will be first. The very first over, and it's a very positive sign for Shadab Mitagri and team. Gufran Chorwadwala and Sundar are the openers, and Sundar is looking very positive this morning. A slower good length ball. Appeal for caught behind. Surprisingly, the appeal for caught behind came from point and cover as well. Wide ball. 17 runs coming of the first over, and we are not yet done with the first over. It's a morning start and people have started coming in. Wide ball. Today we have 3 matches. Second match will be between angular attackers who will be playing React Royals. Overpaced and driven nicely, fielded by Gaurav. 19 runs, 19 without any wickets after first over.
शांताबाई रूपाची खान दिसती छान लाखात छान नजरेचा वान तीर
Start of the new over by Ubaid Bari. This time Sundar wanted to pull that delivery on the onside. It went on the offside towards Imran, who was stationed at short extra cover. Score 20. Ubaid Bari to bowl to Gufran Chorwadwala. Gufran wicketkeeper come batter, a stylish attacker. Nudged it on the onside. Gufran is looking very cautious this morning, and I think it's a great strategy. Gufran, in contrast to his attacking style, has given license to Sundar, who's playing a flamboyant inning this morning. Tap shot and single for Sundar. Sundar on 14 and the team is on 22. Pradeep bowled an expensive over, and now it's going to be Ubaid Bari who has taken the responsibility. Last over of mandatory power play. It's a defensive field, and this is the dugout where all the players can be seen. Niket Tiwari, the man who has a beautiful bowling action. He jumps like a horse. Switch it and this will be 4. Sogolytics 4. Expect the unexpected. That's Gufran for you. Another one in the air, but this time he takes a single. Gufran is toying with the bowling right now. End of 2 overs, 27 without any wickets. Sadashiv coming at long off. The mini Pushpa. Sadashiv. Sadashiv has a tagline, Chukega nahi. This pitch should ideally suit batters like yesterday. It was a feisty day of runs. Run festival was on, and today also the same characteristic offered by the pitch. First delivery, made a room for himself and pulled it towards a deep backward square. 28. Both the batters have started rotating the strike. They are also playing occasional boundaries. We have already seen Sogolytics 4 and K12 Insights sixer, but no mouthshut.com wicket so far. Played on the onside, chance of a catch out and a brilliant catch taken. Atharva took that catch and mouthshot.com wicket number 1. beautifully, but neither got height nor the distance. And what a lovely reflexes. Bending on his back, Atharva took that sensational catch. Saurabh Kadam is the new batter, played up and above the point, but there's a fielder there. And single for Saurabh Kadam. 29 for the loss of 1 wicket. Partnership of 28 runs completed. And Gufran has got new partner. Full marks to Imran for inviting the batter to go ahead and offer the shot. Batsman playing shots is a good sign for the bowler. Pulled away. Will this be taken? Yes, Rohan Padwal takes the catch, and it's mouthshut.com wicket number 2. Welcome all the viewers here at Islam Gymkhana. There are people who are watching from railway overbridge as well. People watching it from the fence on Marine Drive. Flying Falcons are bowling and C Sharp Kings are batting. Umpire Ronak is at the bowler's end and umpire Hatim Kapasi is at the striker's end. The match officials, Imam is the scorer. Wide outside the channel. 30 for 2. Third over in progress. Full toss ball, chance of a catch out. And yes, it is. Atharva takes another catch. It's mouthshut.com, wicket number 3. Shadab disappoints and departs on 0. Saurabh Kadam. Kadam takes a single, trying to go for 2, and they shall complete it. Intent is good. They want to run, They have got a sound sleep last night. Their legs are fresh. You keep running. Make the hay when sun shines.
Check.
32 for 3. Half tracker ball pulled away. Will this be another wicket? No, that landed in the safe area. There is a constant pressure applied on the batters by bowlers. Pradeep bowled an expensive over, but thereafter it's Ubaid Bari and Imran who have applied breaks. A late cut for single. Very active participation this year. People are enjoying this game of cricket, which is also a festival. Cricket is a festival that's celebrated throughout the year in different states, different part of the country, different part of the world. Inside out shot, and this will be K12 inside 6. Wonderful shot. This time Slock swept beautifully, and this will be Sogolitics 4. Kadam wanted to go for a switch it, but missing it completely, and we come to the end of 4th over. At the end of 4 overs, it's 44 for the loss of 3 wickets. Although they have lost 3 of their premier batters, the run rate is 11 per over, and at this run rate, they are certainly going to cross 100. Conditions apply. नए ओवर की शुरुआत करेंगे रोहन पड़वड़. सौरभ कदम खेल रहे 6 बॉल 14 पर. अशरफ शेख खेल रहे 2 बॉल 1 पर. उबैद बारी 2 ओवर 22 रन. बारी आज नहीं कर पाए. कटप्पा ऑफ फ्लाइंग फाल्कन्स. इस बार उठा दिया है और अथर्व के बाजू से टप्पा खाती हुई बॉल जाएगी मिड विकेट बाउंड्री के बाहर. सोगोलिटिक्स 4. बॉल में बॉल का टप्पा, वो टप्पा सही नहीं था और स्लॉक स्वीप कर दिया था. सोगोलिटिक्स 4. रोहन पड़वड़ को अगर आप देखें तो आपको कोई जमैका या एंटीगा के क्रिकेटर की याद आएगी. मरून में बिल्कुल वो वेस्ट इंडियन लुक है उनका. बहुत ही लाजवाब गेंद. फ्लाइंग फाल्कन्स के अंदर आज जीत की भूख नजर आ रही है. वी वांट टू विन, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. हम नहीं जीतेंगे तो कौन जीतेगा, और आज नहीं जीतेंगे तो कब जीतेंगे. ये 2 सवालों के जवाब फ्लाइंग फाल्कन्स लेकर बॉलिंग करती हुई. बॉल हवा में है क्या, यहाँ पर एक्स्ट्रा कवर की और टप्पा खाती हुई गेंद, सदाशिव वहां पर गए, सदाशिव इसके पहले उनका थ्रो पहुंचता बल्ले को ग्राउंड करते हुए सौरभ कदम, और ये 2 रन अशरफ के खाते में जोड़े जाएंगे। 50 रन पूरे होते हुए स्कोर हो गया 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर 50, और बल्लेबाजी हो रही है झकास। बोलर्स बैक ड्राइव अपने दाई और कलाबाजी लगाते हुए रोकने का प्रयास था, स्वयं मिड ऑन तक गए पडवड़। हाफ ट्रैकर बॉल दी, हुक कर दिया है, टप्पा खाती हुई गेंद जाएगी। अब देखना होगा, अंपायर के इशारे का इंतजार है। और ये सोकोलिटिक्स 4, हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन लाजवाब। रन बनाए जा, जिस तरह आज कदम ने जिम्मेदारी ली है। गुफरान चोरवाड़ वाला जल्दी आउट हुए, सुंदर आउट हुए, शादाब मिडगरी ने वहां पर अपना विकेट दे दिया, लेकिन उसके बाद सौरभ कदम आया। हम वहां खड़े होते हैं जहां रनों के मसले बड़े होते हैं, और बहुत बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा पेश करते हुए सौरभ कदम। टीम का स्कोर अब थोड़ा ठीक ठाक, इस बार चाटा मार दिया मानो उस गेंद को। करते हुए प्रदीप, लोअर फुल टॉस बॉल और बहुत ही खूबसूरत कवर ड्राइव, ये सोकोलिटिक्स चौका। ओवर पिच बॉल और इस पर ये लगा जन्नाटेदार सोकोलिटिक्स। रनों का महोत्सव चलता हुआ यहां पर इस्लाम जिमखाना पर। इस बार भी ड्राइव करना चाहते थे, बिल्कुल अंदरूनी सिरा सरे कट जिसको कहा जाता है या चाइनीज कट भी कहा जाता है। फाइन लेग पर जाती हुई गेंद, 1 रन और स्कोर अब 68, 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आप देख रहे हैं VCL सीजन 9 ब्रॉट यू बाय mouthshut.com, K12 Insights and Sogolytics. नो बॉल और फ्री हिट। हमारे डीजे रोहन मोए तो लपेट नहीं पाए थे। लापा लैप शॉट भी कहा जाता है इसको, आधा पुल आधा स्वीप का कॉम्बिनेशन है लापा। $70 for the loss of 3 wickets. Batting first, C Sharp Kings. Flying Falcons are bowling. Pradeep बहुत ज्यादा बाहर दिए गेंद। 71 for 3. It's a wide ball. प्रदीप ने आज थोड़ा मायूस किया अपने पहले ओवर में भी और ये ओवर में भी, वो अपने क्षमता के अनुरूप गेंदबाजी नहीं कर पाए हैं। दूसरी ओर उबैद बारी और इमरान, इन्होंने अपने आप को झोंक दिया था। उबैद 22 रन दिए 2 ओवर में। इस बार ओवर पिच बॉल तान दिया आसमान में, क्या ये विकेट होगा? होते होते रह गया, हाथ से गेंद छूटी। जिस तरह हमाम में गीला साबुन हाथ से छूट जाता है, वैसे वो गेंद छूटी। $73 for 3 after 6 overs. This will be a single on the onside. They are trying to convert it into 2. Saurabh Kadam wanted a single, but very rightly call given by his colleague Ashraf Sheikh. 74 for 3. Welcome all the viewers who are watching this crucial league stage encounter between Flying Falcons, who are bowling, and C Sharp Kings, the defending champions, who are batting. C Sharp Kings are unbeatable right now in this tournament so far, thanks to a great teamwork. That's up in the air, aerial route, and one bounce. It will be stopped, and couple of runs for Ashraf Sheikh. So this is the final practice match, I would say, for C Sharp Kings. They have already qualified by winning their 2 matches, and if they win this, then it will be cherry on the cake. Steps forward and look at that shot. Simply superb. Sogolitics 4. Ashraf Sheikh enjoying the conditions here. He's able to time the ball well. The way Sundar started, and then Saurabh, and now it's Ashraf. That's up in the air and easy catch. Bounceset.com wicket. Pradeep takes the catch and 4th wicket gone. Flying Falcons are getting run for their money. 100 is on the cards. What a brilliant innings by Saurabh Kadam, not out on 23. And Rishabh Rai on 7. The next over, it will be over number 8 from Parsi Gymkhana end, and better facing him is Rishabh Rai. Wicketkeeper is Imran Khan. So that's the view of our sitting area where all the ladies are watching this match, wearing sunglasses. Wide ball, 88 for 4. Very positive cricket played here by C Sharp Kings. Angular attackers are waiting. They have nothing to lose this morning. They are going to play react Royals. Entertain them this morning. With single, 91 for 4. Full toss ball, and that's a lap shot. High and handsome. K12 inside 6. Tomorrow night, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, DJ Chetas has given responsibility to DJ Rohan Aka Moe, who's going to entertain you tomorrow. Yesterday morning I was having a talk with him and he told that, sir, I actually wanted to become a DJ and now I have become a DJ. 101 for 4, 8th over. It's a long innings. Mistimed, and Imran will take it. No, Imran has dropped it. Oh my God, that's a hard break. Kadam playing a great innings. Our scorer Imam is more busier than State Bank of India cashier. The way he is counting runs, hardly any chance for Imam to relax. Cross-batted stroke on the onside and a single at wideish mid-wicket. Rishabh Rai is also a useful cricketer. Yesterday we saw him bowling. Vivek Gandhi being rested today, considering heavy workload on him. Powerful strike on the onside, and this will be Socrates 4. Will be given a bye by umpire Hatim Kapasi. Flying Falcons started off well, and they got Sundar and then Gufran and Shadab in quick succession. Wide ball, but then Ashraf Sheikh and Saurabh Kadam, they carried on, and it will be given no ball with a free hit. Umpire Ronak Joshi. What a loud shout from the dugout. I thought as if I am watching Animal. Over pitch delivery, and what a fluent shot that is. Lovely timing, and Socrates 4. By Saurabh Kadam, he is heading towards yet another beautiful innings. Single on the onside as Atharva came sprinting in. Flying Falcons have a huge job to do while chasing runs. It's not going to be easy considering the C-sharp bowling attack. They've got Shadab Mitagri, and then they've got Nikit Tiwari. $115. 115 for 4. Wide and full, 116 for 4. So that's a Shadab Mitagri on your screen. He's a happy captain. He knows his boys have done a great job. It's a wide ball and extra runs. Shadab must have also made his post-match presentation speech ready, and his first line would be, "Mashallah, boys played well." Padwal this time on the middle stump and pulled away Atharva. Oh, he almost grabbed it. Couple of runs for Kadam. 120 for the loss of 4 wickets. pulled away nicely, and it will be stopped, but not before a single was scored. React Royals will take on Angular Attackers. Angular Attackers will attack from all the angles. Straight angle, wide angle, mad angle. All the angles will be frozen today. And they will be stopped by none other than React Royals. They are going to react heavily. Inside edge, and outfield is really quick. This will be Sogolytics 4 for sure. The way it's running, and it's gone. खेला तो सी शार्प किंग्स को करंट लगा रहे 440 वोल्ट का झटका जो धीरे से लगे. Single. Shreyas Pandey wanted to go for a throw, but then he decided otherwise. Leg by. Score 126 for the loss of 4 wickets. Great batting. Saurabh Kadam is the man who has played a beautiful innings, this time banging in short. React Royals and Angular Attackers will be ready. Away, and an easy catch dropped, and that will sprint to the fans for K12 inside 6. Runs are coming thick and fast. Wide ball. 133 for 4. We will also be giving away orange cap and purple cap today. This tournament is like mini IPL. We are setting high standards of rewarding the players. And this will be mouthshut.com wicket.
Still can't hear. So, okay, Imran is the right answer, but stats किसी को पता है उसके? Ten wickets, ये कब हुआ? But that was already guessed by Kamar. He said 7. He said first. Imran, can we please have you here? ओके इमरान, कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये पर्पल कैप?
नहीं, मैं सोचा नहीं था मिलेगी, लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
डिमांड है शायरी की, एक शायरी हो जाए।
ना 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 जाने बादलों में क्या साजिश हो गई है, ना जाने बादलों में क्या साजिश हो गई है, मेरा घर था मिट्टी का और मेरे घर ही बारिश हो गई है।
वेल प्लेड इमरान। ऑरेंज कैप, उसकी टीम ऑलरेडी खड़ी है वहां पर। गुफरान, कैन वी प्लीज हैव यू हियर? गुफरान, बैक विद यू अगेन। कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा लग रहा है टीम को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, लेकिन मेन मैच अभी बाकी है फाइनल, उसमें परफॉर्म करना है, फिर ही मतलब इसका असली हकदार बन सकते हैं।
All the best, Gufran, and congratulations for the purple cap. Thank you. और बहुत से स्पॉट प्राइजेस हैं, प्लीज सब ब्रश अप कर ले प्रीवियस सीजन्स ऑफ
C Sharp Kings. Here at Islam Gymkhana, you are watching Village Cricket League VCL Season 9, brought to you by Sogolytics, K12 Insights and Mountchet.com. Start of the second innings, Niket Tiwari gets ready to bowl to Imran Khan, who's the orange cap holder, and he will have to play a mammoth innings. Wide ball, 1 run. That's a fantastic shot, and this will be Sogolytics 4. Nice delivery. Niket Tiwari has a nice bowling action like Javagal Srinath. Windmill action. The way he moves his hands, it reminds you of a windmill on a mountain. Maybe all solar energy companies would want to sign him as their brand ambassador. Another good delivery outside the off stump, appreciated by Gufran Chorwadwala. Saurabh Kadam is at deep cover. A cover drive and single. Shadab Mitagri is at mid-on, inside the ring. Played on the onside. Not much power behind that stroke, but simply using the pace of the ball, they take a single. It's a Friday morning and people have started planning for their weekends. Now what a shot that is, but Shadab Mitagri, he's going to grab it. Mouthshed.com wicket. He was the batting colossus in the first innings, and new batter at the crease is Rohan Padwar at the non-strikers end. Shreyas Pandey, captain, taking the strike. Wide ball. Flying Falcons have 133 as a marathon score to chase. And they have just lost their Mr. Dependable Imran Khan, caught by Shadab Mitagri. Overpitched and good use of bottom hand on that on drive. Nine for 1. Rohan Padwar. This is the second of mandatory power play. Powerful strike, but again Mouthshut.com wicket, and Shadab Mitagri. You need a captain in your squad. He's player's captain. He's having some magnetic powers with him. Ball is getting attracted towards him. New man in is Ankit Sulake. Sulake this time playing uppishly, and this will be Sogoletics 4. Very fluent shot. Going for a risky single, and this will be completed. 14 is the score for the loss of 2 wickets. Chasing 133, Flying Falcons under tremendous pressure from C Sharp Kings, who are bowling right now. Full toss ball and very easily played on the onside. That will be Sogoletics 4. Shall be bowled by Ashraf Sheikh. You are watching VCL Season 9, brought to you by K12 Insight, Sogoletics and Mouthshut.com. It's a great HR initiative to bind people in a sporting activity. A great team bonding initiative, appreciated by one and all. This time it's pulled away. Will this be taken? And it's dropped, and this will be Sogoletics 4 for sure. A beautiful grab this time towards the boundary line, and this will be Sokolitics 4. Runs are coming heavily in this over. A good partnership. Half tracker ball pulled away nicely. No one will be stopping it. Sokolitics 4. Fantastic. Lower full toss ball played on the onside with ease, and Shadab Mitagri, the fielder, at Wadish mid wicket. Mitagri has already taken 2 brilliant catches. He is leaving that more flight given, and it will be given no ball, free hit, and K12 there. And will this be taken? No, this time efforts fell short, else it would have been third catch for Shadab Mitagri. Ikra has joined our team early today as DJ Rohan has a lot of work to do. Tomorrow is replacing DJ Chetas at Polyester, and I think Ikra will be playing at Ambrosia tomorrow at the Leela. Today we have not seen Shanmugam enjoying that lollipop. It's a wonderful sign. He is determined, dedicated. Ball keeping low, Rise bowling a good line and length. I think C Sharp Kings are enjoying this match because they have nothing to lose. Although they would want to end points table with 3 out of 3. But even if they are able to not win this, they won't mind it. But on the other hand, Flying Falcons, they must win this time. Pandey goes for a huge and gigantic shot. K12 inside 6. Rishabh Rai getting punished by Shreyas Pandey. Pandey goes for another one. That's an outrageous 6. K12 inside 6. श्रेयस पांडे खेल रहे 15 बॉल 34. कप्तान की पारी अंकित सुलाखे 9 बॉल.
Right now we are in the angular.
The chance to get into a final. Yeah.
Okay, so Ashish, I have one question for you. If you answer it in a couple of seconds, you get a small gift hamper. So my question to you, it's an easy one because it's your first VCL, right? So who had the purple orange cap last year? Last VCL? Who got the? Okay, so we hear someone else answering in the angular attackers dugout. Okay, so this year किसको दिया गया है?
Gufran. Purple cap. Imran.
Okay, so आपके लिए लास्ट ईयर का माफ किया, ये साल के लिए आपको दे दिया. तो ये साल का याद रखना नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए. Okay, so we are in the React dugout and we have Sadiq here. Sadiq, can we hear it from you? How is it going? Okay, Sadik, I like your optimism. That's a good thing. So, I have a question. Who will answer? No. बोल नहीं सकते हो, लिख के देना, मैं पढ़ के बता दूंगी. ओके, तो लास्ट ईयर एंगुलर अटैकर्स के ओनर कौन थे? VCL सीजन 8 के ओनर्स कौन थे? ओके ठीक है, रिजवान. उसके बाद और दो. यहाँ पे पूरा टीम गेम चालू है. सादिक हेल्प कर रहे हैं, लेकिन टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर सही से वर्क नहीं कर रहा है अभी भी.
अंजलि सर क्या नाम है पता नहीं है.
अरे मेरे को मेल करने बोला था ना.
चलो ठीक है. इस ईयर का कौन है एंगुलर अटैकर्स के ओनर? तीनों के ओनर के नाम बता.
इति सैयद, ज़ारा सैयद. थर्ड इति तिवारी. इति तिवारी. थैंक यू सो मच.
For Flying Falcons, their team is already on the field playing. React Royals का last year का color क्या था? Which color represented React Royals?
It was React Rangers first of all. It was React Rangers. It was not
React Royals काफी charged है, सारे answers उनको ही देने हैं, but हम prize सारे उनको नहीं देंगे. Thank you. So, okay, Vikrant, I have a question for you.
Question सुनाई नहीं आया.
How's it going?
This is my first VCL. It is going very well. Although I am not in the playing 11, but I am supporting my team in whatever way it is possible. I am providing them water and juices and all those things. So I am feeling very good.
Okay, that is good. I have a question for you, Vikrant. Can you help me with it? Who played the finals of VCL Season 8?
Last year.
VCL Season 8 का finals किसने खेला था?
नहीं पता. I didn't study about that. I guess CSK versus Angular. Oh.
So he's partially right. CSK versus Flying Falcons. Dilip, we can still give it to him. Thank you.
Wonderful job by Zara Faruqi as our anchor cum host. Very sweet voice, and she has engaged people via different questions and answer session. Thank you so much, Zara Faruqi.
एहतिशाम, आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है. ये साल का VCL मैनेजर कौन है?
नारायण पद्मभूषण सर.
Oh, so Ehtisham is very well studied about VCL season 9. Ehtisham, कैसा लग रहा है आपको VCL season 9 में?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you, Ehtisham.
Shantanu, if you could come to the com box immediately. Thank you. That's a great shot.
We have with us Nadeem. He has something to say. Can we hear it?
Yeah, of course. कौन सी टीम है ये? नाम क्या है इसका? ये ब्लू कलर की सी शार्प. CSK C Sharp Kings. Shadab and this whole team. It seems like they have fixed the match. So proper investigation will be done, and if found guilty, they will be banned for next 10 years from VCL.
That is Nadeem, who hasn't won VCL in the last 8 seasons. So फाइनल तक पहुंचाएंगे लेकिन ओके. So we have with us Sarang. Sarang, how is your VCL experience so far?
It's great. It's great. It's pretty great. It's very professional, and good that I'm supporting CSK. Our team has a lot of depth because yesterday I saw I wasn't here, but I saw the game on my mobile, and it seemed nothing less than IPL. So it's pretty professional. Everything is pretty good, and yeah, I'm enjoying it.
So I have one question for you. A very simple question to begin with. Who is the captain of C Sharp Kings?
Shut up.
Okay. And captain for Angular Attackers?
Shreyas, I guess. Nadim's team is. I know his face, but I don't know his name. Nakeem, yeah.
Okay, Shreyas is captain for Flying Falcons. Thank you, Sarang. Have a good time.
ऋषभ राय के इस गेंद पर 6 ठोक दिया. K12 इनसाइड 6. क्या बैटिंग कर रहा है श्रेयस पांडे. अब ये केवल श्रेयस पांडे नहीं रहा है, अब ये रॉबिन हुड पांडे बन गया है. बहुत जबरदस्त पारी पांडे की. इस बार खेला बैकआउट ऑफ स्क्वायर. बॉल जा रही है पीछे. ऋषभ राय के पास जाती हुई गेंद. प्रेम भी देखिए आप, एक मासूम चेहरा, राज गहरा. तगड़ा शॉट है इस बार, देखना होगा क्लियर कर जाएगी. एक टप्पा और सोगोलिटिक्स 4. कप्तान स्वयं खेल रहे हैं और कप्तान को अच्छा सहयोग देते हुए अंकित सुलाखे. दिखने में मुश्किल है, लेकिन 12 में अगर 5 गेंदों को बाउंड्री लाइन के बाहर भेजा, 5 सोकोलिटिक्स 4 या तो फिर 4 K12 इनसाइड 6 आ गए तो बात बन जाएगी। इस वक्त एक ही चीज है, mouthshut.com विकेट नहीं देना है, क्योंकि अगर हम आउट हो गए तो हमारा माउथ शट हो जाएगा, विच वी डोंट वांट टू डू इट। अंकित सुलाखे 40 पर, पांडे 45 पर। नए ओवर की शुरुआत सफल होकर खेला है, बैकेट ऑफ स्क्वायर, बॉल गई प्रेम के पास, प्रेम के हाथ से गेंद छूटी, प्रेम का थ्रो आया। भूलना नहीं होगा प्रेम नाइट शिफ्ट करके यहां पहुंचे हैं। प्रेम बनाएगा नेम और फील्डिंग में करेगा गेम। अगली बॉल इस बार ताकत का प्रहार किया गया है, सौरभ कदम के पास जाती हुई गेंद, कदम का थ्रो पहुंचे, उसके पहले 1 रन, स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ 95।
Can I React Royals here for the toss? I repeat, Angular Attackers and React Royals captain for the toss, please.
चाबुक शॉट, और यहां पर अब जाकर सौरभ कदम ने उसको रोकने का प्रयास किया है। कदम कमांडो की तरह दौड़ा था, कदम गिरा, लेकिन कदम अब खड़ा हो गया। इस बार तान दिया है अंकित सुलाखे ने, गेंद के नीचे आ नहीं पाएंगे। सौरभ के हाथ से कैच छूटा, सपना टूटा, मुकद्दर रूठा, बल्लेबाजों ने रनों को लूटा। दोनों कैप्टन का स्वागत है, मोहम्मद नकीब एंगुलर अटैकर्स और रोहित वाघ रिएक्ट रॉयल्स। और यहां पर बोल्ड कर दिया, mouthshut.com विकेट। शादाब मिठागरी का सेलिब्रेशन आप देखिए, वेस्ट इंडीज के कोटरल भी
for the toss. Captain of Angular Attackers Nakib and captain of React Royals Rohit. Call कौन लेगा?
Heads. हेड और टेल्स कैसे हैं? अच्छा ये देखा ही कैसे?
In front. Like this.
Okay. Now fight.
Heads.
We'll ball first.
React Royals have won the toss and elected to field first. Ruhan, we have a few questions for you. Can you answer? Did your father Nadeem win any matches yesterday?
Yes.
Which one? Which match did you win?
Anyone?
Anyone? Are you sure?
Yes.
Did you win the match that was played yesterday?
No.
But still you got some prize, right?
No.
They shared with you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have a small goodie bag for you.
टीम।
आपको हेल्प किसने किया अभी?
रूहान।
रूहान को उसका आंसर पता था। गुडी बैग फॉर यू। आप फर्स्ट VCL अटेंड कर रहे हो यहाँ पर? पहले आए हो कभी? आए हो? कैसा लगता है आपको और कब आए थे आप?
अच्छा लगता है।
मजा आती है? क्रिकेट फॉलो करते हो आप?
हाँ।
आप कौन सी जर्सी सपोर्ट कर रहे हो? जो पहने हो वो कि कोई दूसरी पसंद है आपको टीम?
येलो कलर।
जिस बिकॉज नदीम ने अभी डरा के बोल दिया येलो कलर, आपको येलो कलर चाहिए? ओके, थैंक यू।
102 for 4. A hook shot stopped by Prem. And another single. So kids are getting rewarded.
ओके, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है, जो जर्सी ऐश्वर्या पहनी है सी शार्प किंग्स, उसका कैप्टन कौन है?
ऐश्वर्या के।
ओनर ऐश्वर्या आई के। कैप्टन?
शादाब।
ओके, थैंक यू।
So finally match comes to an end. Congratulations C Sharp Kings for consecutive third victory, and they are leading the points table. Hard luck Flying Falcons, they tried their best. Excellent innings by Captain Shreyas Pandey. So we take a break and then we come back.